Lights are down. Oh, man, look at the wheel stand on a Greg Slack's machine. Holy cow, 4.308, 121 miles an hour to the 648 elapsed time for Alan O'Brien. But Greg Slack had that thing all the way to the 330-foot mark on the rear tires. Nyerges is in. Barry Dunn is set. The tree fires. Watch the scoreboard. It's going to be 381.1. 198 the speed for Chris Nyerges. And there is excitement down to the starting line out of the Nyerges camp because they just went to number 2 here in qualifying. 632 cubic inch. Nitrous fed bow tie. On the left-hand side. They're set. Good numbers down low for Buddy and the LAT Racing Oil Camaro. Look at that, 3.771. Say hello to your new number 1 qualifier here in Top Sportsman Galot Motorsports Park. Buddy at over 195 on speed. Dale's going to go 458 at 153, and that's going to put the Cobalt number 21 for right now.
Top Dragster, we need you for Q1. Larice Motorsports Insurance, Top Dragster, we need you to the staging lanes at this time for Q1.
TG and Michael set. Tree fires. They let go. Out in the way. 005 to a 13. Michael White 374.9. 192 the speed. Down the right-hand side. 426 to 158 for TG. That's going to put Michael to number. But it is a packed house here at Galot Motorsports Park this weekend. Every single available spot has been filled, and I think we've probably created some that aren't normally pit spots. There is no more room to fit another rig in this facility. So that's a good problem to have. Maduri, 002 red and 371.9. Team Dynabrade, 198 miles an hour. Say hello to your number one qualifier in the category, Galot Motorsports Park.